Okay, time to leave.
Bye.
Davangere is very special. Big fan of Davangere benne dosa. Viru, no Viru. It's Papache. They are so unlucky due to COVID, not able to go anywhere. Not even to GRS, not even to KRS.
Mr. Tanish
Mr. Kirik Party Tanish. Hey! You have to drive with a proper grip, yaar. It's not that speed and all. Speed is not at all. SH17. ये तो सब common है.
Tanish please give Masaba.
The kids are here.
Don't disturb while driving. Bacha party.
Important. See. Wait. Camera is on. एक बार कैमरा ऑफ हो जाएगा तो आप गाना डाल लेना, ओके?
अब ऑफ कर जाऊंगा।
ऑफ कर जाऊंगा मैं. ओके ऑफ. Came to this hotel called Ruchi Mane, just 20 kilometers. सिर्फ 20 किलोमीटर आए घर से अभी. We have ordered this North Indian thali. Tani happy, Tanish happy. Hello all, time is 1:10. Today's plans to go for Davangere. Davangere is very special to us. It's my native. It is a place where I was born there. Everything is set to leave. Morning only I cleaned the car completely. Diesel na kashal kadla sir. Viru ready? ಲಗೇಜ್ ಸಬ್ ಸೆಟ್ हो गया. ದ್ರವ್ಯ ರೆಡಿ? ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀಜುನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो नहीं आ रहे आज. वन माय पेरेंट्स. बाय पापा. बाय माँ. एवरीबडी सेट? ओके, टाइम टू लीव. ओके, चामुंडम्मा की की. Time is 1:20, 325 kilometers to go for Davangere. It's a long journey. We are going through the road of Channagiri. Okay, should go to medical. Had to buy some medicines. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले निकले थे. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले निकले थे. Had to buy some medicines. Just got medicines for the baby and all. Left now.
Bye David, bye. Bye.
वो सब उसका दोस्त है.
Bye David, bye श्रेयान. Bye.
विराज का बच्चा पार्टी.
पापा कर लेते हैं. आज वो थोड़ी है.
Here we touch the KRS road. Davangere is very special. Normally before and all, every 6 months I used to visit there. Big fan of Davangere benne dosa. Whenever I used to visit Davangere, without miss I used to have benne dosa.
Yes.
Do you like benne dosa?
Yes. I like very much.
Due to COVID, we couldn't go Davangere. Papa Viraj has not got a chance to taste Davangere benne dosa. Before, while going to Gokarna on the way, we had been there. We only to have dosa, we went inside the city premises, had dosa, and probably he was small, he would not remember. Viru, no Viru. So much of traffic is there right now. This is a Mysore ring road. Oh बाबरे भाई, तुझे अर्जेंट है तू जा भाई. ತುಂಬಾ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಹೋಗೋಣ. ನೀನು ಹೋಗು 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 ಪುಟ ಹೋಗು. GRS Fantasy Park comes here at the left. Oh my kids, Papa che. They are so unlucky due to COVID, not able to go anywhere. Not even to GRS, not even to KRS. Today, a special guest of honor in our trip is our sister Ji, Miss
Hello.
Namrata.
ये मिस्टर तनिष भी बा
Mr. Kirik Party Tanish.
Hey!
Hey!
हाँ
Turn. I'll take a U-turn over here and go to home. Throw you, not drop you. Throw you and go. Already he's asking still. Not even we have started our journey. Not even a person. Still, how much time we should sit in car? It seems. Bro, you don't like long drives. Is it? You like Viraj?
I also.
You also very good, beta.
ब्लॉग करत बसला तर 8 o'clock होऊन जाते.
अभी देखो यार, vlog तो करना ही पड़ता है. It is my passion. I want to record my memories.
सध्या नाही.
Or else how should we understand? After a year, 1.5 year, 2 years and all. They are telling last time when we went to Bangalore, it took 5 hours. So now going to Davangere, it may take around more than 8 hours. Let's see what time we would reach it. It is 1:30 right now. And here we touch the Mysore-Bangalore road, the legendary road. Mysore-Bangalore highways, SH17. ये तो सब कॉमन है.
तनिष प्लीज उगीच बसा बा.
When
Disturb
kids
करा
are
ना.
here.
Don't disturb while driving. बच्चा पार्टी.
अभी दावणगेरे जाना है तो जाना है. We don't want to hurry and go as we have kids. अभी बच्चा पार्टी भी है तो definitely we have to be careful and we are more conscious about the safety. Safety matters first whenever you're traveling with the family. Whether kids, let them sit front, back, wherever. We are much responsible in our speeds and our grip. Normally गाड़ी चलाने के टाइम पे हम जैसा बोलेंगे गाड़ी को सुनना चाहिए. It's not that गाड़ी जैसा बोल हमको वैसा नहीं सुनना चाहिए. If you follow that, accidents थोड़ा कम हो सकता है. You have to drive with a proper grip, yaar. It's not that speed and all. Speed is not at all important. Enjoying the journey, capturing the beautiful memories is much important.
ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ.
See, wait. Camera is on. एक बार कैमरा ऑफ हो जाएगा तो आप गाना डाल लेना, ओके?
अब ऑफ कर जाऊंगा मैं.
ऑफ कर जाऊंगा मैं. ओके, ऑफ कर दो. ओके, लंच ब्रेक.
पार्सल
उतरा. Hi, Sonukudi. Hello. Came to this hotel called Ruchi Mane, just 20 kilometers. सिर्फ 20 किलोमीटर आए घर से अभी. And stopped for the lunch break. As बच्चा पार्टी था तो we decided to have lunch and proceed towards our journey. So baby. हाँ. We have ordered this North Indian thali. Had a foolproof lunch of a bunch of North Indian meals. Roti, curry. Luckily there was no paneer which would affect my diet. How's the lunch?
Good.
Good. Yeah. She is the special guest what I was talking about.
Hello.
अभी बहुत टाइम हो गया है, फटाफट निकलना है, बहुत लेट हो गया और else it will be dark until we reach Davangere. Leaving this hotel now and starting the drive.
The belt and leaving now. Let's go.
नको Tanish card. There is Halli Mane and all, but I feel Ruchi Mane is really good. Very tasty food you get over there. हमने जब भी गया है उधर, we are not at all disappointed. बहुत अच्छा tasty meals मिला है and anything a la carte. If you go for a la carte or meals, both are very good. Still on a Mysore-Bangalore highway. Time is 2:30. While going, we thought ek baar we'll finish the lunch and all so that we can go non-stop without wasting any time for lunch and all.
You will stop for this, no? Always you stop, I know.
Always we have to stop. We have to give a pee break, Tanish. It's not this. It is pee break. Tanish is so shy. I've installed a separate mic to this GoPro. Hope my audio is recording clearly now. So much disturbance. Shit.
Inside the car or outside the car?
Inside the car. 1 hour, just give me 5 to 10 minutes to vlog. That is more than enough for me.
Not enough for you, so much time.
Now we have reached this Srirangpatna and crossing the Kaveri River Bridge. Crossing over the Kaveri River Bridge and
इस कार में नहीं शुरू लगे
पानी का लेवल बहुत कम है. It's not so that great.
Yes.
As soon as this bridge gets over, we have to take a deviation over here to the left. If we go straight, we'll go to the Bangalore.
Right?
No. We have to take here left. We are
yes,
going
no?
over Kadur, Arsikere, Kadur, Birur, and from Birur we get a very good highway.
NH4.
Not NH4. Yeah, it's state highway. From Birur to Davangere you get a first class road यार. बहुत अच्छा रोड है, एकदम साफ, clear, no road humps. Yes. Okay. Beautiful roads right now. I can see almost a kilometer far. और यहाँ पे सब देखिए कितना अच्छा है यार. Farmlands, completely greenery, coconut farms, beautiful, and you can see these guys over here. आप सब लोग इनको कमेंट में बोलिए that they should not sit front. हम जितना भी बोलेंगे ना ये लोग सुनेंगे ही नहीं. हम भी बोल के थक गए यार. Or else we have to cancel our trip and go to home. Okay, shall we? वाह भाई साहब, क्या है ये? जन्नत है, जन्नत. ಈ ಮಧ್ಯ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಯೂಟರ್ನ್ ತಗೋತಾರ, ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ ನಿನ್ಗೆ? We are leaving here. If I'm leaving his mom and going, he's feeling so happy. खा रहे मसाल पूरी, रवा इडली and pani puri. How is the taste? Me and my sister was just thinking, if in case cars में अगर हॉर्न नहीं है तो ए हटो. क्या यार तू ऐसा होता है?
स्टेटस का कैसा देना अज्जी आला बंटी
ए तुम्हें इंस्टाग्राम का नहीं देखता ना जी। फुल व्यू राइट नाउ, बहुत अच्छा व्यू है, ब्यूटीफुल व्यू। वाह 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 वाह, माइंड ब्लोइंग, सुपर ब्यूटीफुल क्लाउड्स वी कैन सी। क्या व्यू है बॉस, ऑसम ऑसम, तगातट।